The fact that my suitcase is still not unpacked is a problem, but we ain't about to talk about that. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another weekly vlog. So I'm just gonna sit here, we're just gonna hang out and talk about, I don't know, what are we gonna talk about, girl? I don't know. Oh, there is something I wanted to ask y'all. Are y'all watching Vlogtober? Vlogtober is just like Vlogmas. It's where people vlog every single day. So instead of Vlogmas, they vlog for October. Vlogtober. I haven't been doing Vlogtober, obviously, but girl, I have discovered a couple of good channels just by typing in like Vlogtober. Relatable channels. So let me pull one up. What's her name? What is her name? It actually, Janae. That's how I, yeah, because it rhymed with Renee. I was like, I would remember her name. But yeah, Janae Barbary. I love. Now, so far I just watched her vlogs. I haven't really watched like her content videos. And it looks like she does upload content. So I see like a favorites video. I see, she has a lot of vlogs. Does she do makeup tutorials? There's a get ready with me. Yeah, mostly vlogs though, but I love it. I love her. She's so cute. Yeah, and who else is doing Vlogtober? Sunny, Naturally Sunny. Love her channel. And Beautifully Sydney is also doing Vlogtober. I noticed not a lot of my, like the people that I follow are the people that I'm subscribed to, they're not really doing it. But Vlogmas though, everybody be doing Vlogmas. I might do Vlogmas. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, girl. Y'all know how I am with this camera. Like sometimes I don't even want to fool with it. Just pull it. I just don't be want to pull it out when I don't feel like pulling it out. But yes, girl. Yeah, I just wanted to ask y'all about that. But I'm not up to much today. It's actually the end of the day. I need to go take this makeup off, get in the shower, and relax is what I need to do. I just threw my hair up in this big old bun, bandana tied. I think it's cute. It's cute for like just chilling, you know. Okay, so Space's Got Talent. Do you guys watch, well, not watch, but if you're on Twitter, Space's Got Talent is coming back tonight. If you know what I'm talking about, then you know. But it's just a thing that I like to listen to. It's kind of like a American Idol type thing, but it's on Twitter, and it's so fun. It's just so fun and I don't know, and funny. But yeah, just a lot of random people get on and share their talents and sing. So, oh, my battery's about to die. Dang it. And I ain't got nothing to say right now. I just want to cut the camera on and show my face. But yeah, I'm gonna put some clothes on because I think I'm gonna head over to Shanine's and we're gonna do like a listening party for the Space's Got Talent return. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. But let me change my battery out and I will see y'all later on. So earlier that week, I went to Ulta. I had to pick up a couple of things. I got me a coffee on the way. The iced caramel, what is it? The apple crisp macchiato. Put caramel in it, girl. It makes it so much better. got done shopping, I decided to make a quick little snack. And I got this idea off of Instagram. You know how people be posting TikToks on Instagram? I don't be on TikTok, but I love, love, love this snack, y'all. It's so good and healthy and quick, and it's just one of my favorites. So I realized I didn't ever show you guys what I got from Ulta, so I'm gonna do a quick little Ulta haul. And y'all, it's officially onesie season, girl. The air is crisp and cool outside. The leaves are on the ground. So I put my onesie on. This is a Savage X Fenty onesie that I got last year. I think they have some more like newer ones this year. And they have some new robes on there too. But I just wanted to put my onesie on, girl, because fall is here. But let me show you what I picked up from Ulta. You guys just saw like little snippets of it, but I don't think I showed you every single thing. So I'm gonna show you that. And I just got an exciting package at the door that I'm gonna show you too. So let me go get the package. Okay, here's the package. Let's go in there and open it up. My lips are dry, of course. They're always dry. I'm putting this Natrium Vital Glow Lip Balm on. And I love it. It's just like the Summer Fridays, if you guys have ever tried Summer Fridays. It's literally just like it. Smells like it, feels like it. All of that. But this one actually keeps my lips moisturized longer than the Summer Fridays one. But I just had to pop some of that on real quick. Let's do Ulta first. So I already got the things that I needed out of the bag and I already used it. It was the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer and the e.l.f. Cosmetics CC cream. And I already did a video on that. But the other things that I picked up, I wanted to get a few more things for my hair. I needed a new bonnet. So this is the Kitsch extra large adjustable satin bonnet. I think this is actually one of the things that I showed y'all while I was in Ulta, but let me open it up so y'all can, well, so I can see it too, because I haven't even opened it up yet. But yeah, I just needed a new bonnet in my life, and this extra large is perfect. So here's like the little drawstring. You can make it tighter. There's a cute little tag with their logo on it. But yeah, nothing too special, just a nice bonnet to have at night. And I also grabbed, so I saw this, it's the multi-waist sleep scarf. So I needed another scarf too, so I wanted to get this. The only scarf that I have now, I just have my bandanas that I use as scarves, but I just wanted like a nice one to have. So, and you can wear this, looks like 6 different ways. If you look at the back right there. So let's open her. Ooh, this is soft. And I like the color. So cute. But yes, it's just a nice headscarf that I'll also wear at night. And what else did we get? So I didn't need these, but I just thought they were cute. It's a satin pillowcase, no, satin pillow scrunchies. And I'm actually wearing a scrunchie right now. This is from, oh, it's actually from the same brand. Kitsch. But yeah, this little headband right here, well, scrunchie from the same exact brand. And I like their scrunchies because they're big. So just got 2 more, and these are just cute colors to have. So that, and I also picked up 2 nail, well, press-on nail sets. I thought this set was really cute, so I just wanted to get another one. So I just got both of them. Same sets, just, you know, I like to have extras. And then I got, ooh, y'all, I was not gonna get any makeup whatsoever, but I went over to the what is this, the Nudestix stand, and I was just trying out some of their samples, and I liked the concealer, and they had a blush that I liked, but they were out of stock. Like the shade that I wanted, they didn't have anymore, so I just went ahead and well, I haven't ordered it yet, but it is in my cart on Sephora right now. But anyway, yeah, this is the Nudestix cream concealer, And the shade I got was Nude number 9. And they come in these little tin cases. And trying to get it open. Ugh. There we go. Oh, there's a mirror on the top. And this is the concealer. So I'm gonna use this in a video, an upcoming video for you guys, testing like some new products. But yeah, this was a good color for me, like to just highlight under my eyes. So I got that. And I also picked up, as if I needed this, but it was just cute. So I got it, another thing from Kitsch. It's a hair clip, but it has leopard print, like fabric all around it. And then there's a clip right there. I don't know, girl, but it was cute. I got it, you know. And I also wanted to get another one of these glosses from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's their Plumping gloss. This is in the shade Champagne Glam, and I really, really, really like their plumping glosses. It's not like super tingly on the lips, and this is a really pretty color too. So it's actually pretty clear on me. It doesn't really look like frosty or anything like that, but I like it, so I wanted to get one of those. And then the last thing I grabbed was a hair mousse. I needed a hair mousse. I just didn't know what brand to get. And I hear lots of good things about this brand, so I just wanted to try out theirs. I almost got the shampoo and conditioner, but I was like, Andrea, you're doing too much. You got enough already. Get what you need. So I needed this. So I will be trying this out. But that's all that I got from Ulta. Now let me show you what I got in this box. So Brandon Blackwood. So he's coming out with the fall collection, and I'm gonna be shopping the fall collection for sure, because I have my eyes on a couple of handbags that I want. But I wanted to get something like something small, just because I've never purchased anything from Brandon Blackwood, and I just wanted to, you know, give it a try and see what the brand is about. So this is the box. Oops, hold on. Here's the box right here. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Brandon Blackwood, but if you haven't, it is a Black-owned business, and he sells handbags. He also sells accessories. He has some new accessories coming out this fall as well. But yeah, I just want to make a small purchase first, just to see how it is, and then once the fall collection drops, that's when I'm going to make another purchase. But I'm excited to show you guys the little purchase that I did make. So, ooh, this is nice. He has his logo inside the top. And this is what's inside, and here we go. There's a logo right there as well, so it comes with the cute little dust bag. And let me show you what I got. So I decided to get, there's this logo right there. So this is packaged really, really nicely. But yeah, I decided to get a little what do you even call this, key wallet. It's like a wallet, but it holds your keys. And of course I had to get the pink one. Y'all know pink is my favorite color. And this is how she looks. How freaking cute is this? So Louis Vuitton has one just like this, but I don't see myself spending that much money on a freaking, you know, key thing that holds my keys. So I saw that he sold them, and I was like, let me just go ahead and get one from him. And it's so cute. So you open it up, and this is where you keep your keys. So take all the paper out, and you just put your keys in here. And I think it has like a little slot where, yep, you can put your card right there if you want. So yeah, I just thought it was cute. Super cute. I'll just put all my keys in it. My card key is actually like a fob. So what I'm gonna do is put it on a key ring, but have it like out instead of in, because I don't think it's gonna be able to hold, like I can't fasten it up if I put my key fob in it. But all my other keys can fit in here. I'll just keep my key fob out so it can just, you know, hang out like this, if you get what I'm saying. But how stinking cute. So yeah, this is my first purchase from Brandon Blackwood, and I love it. I love it. It's so cute. And since I'm showing you what I purchased, I have one more thing that I also just got at the door, which is from Amazon, our favorite spot besides Target. But I wanted to try this body butter because I asked some of you on Twitter, if you follow me on Twitter, I was like, is Trader Joe's body butter really worth it? And so many people, no, I didn't say that. I said, do you guys purchase body butter from Trader Joe's? Something like that. And so many people were like, yes, it's the bomb. You have to try it out. So I went ahead and purchased it. So instead of going to Trader Joe's, I just went ahead and purchased it off of Amazon. This one is the coconut body butter, and supposedly this is like one of the best body butters, but let's open it. I like how the jar is. I like the top. You just pull it up like this. Ooh, interesting. Very, very interesting. Ooh. I already love the smell, y'all. Already love the smell. Oh my gosh. It smells delicious, y'all. I want to eat this, to be completely honest. Like, it literally smells like vanilla frosting. It smells so good. And just by rubbing it on my hands, it actually feels really nice too. I don't know how, this does feel good. Let me get a little bit more. I don't know how this is gonna feel on my body. I have the Nivea Cocoa Butter body butter right now, so I don't know, but this is nice. It's very thick too, but this is nice. Okay. I'm gonna have to use this the next time I take a shower and let you guys know my thoughts, but so far, this is nice. It smells so good, y'all. And it doesn't smell too coconutty to me. It smells, like I said a minute ago, kind of smells like frosting, like a vanilla frosting. It smells so good, so good. Luxurious body butter made with coconut oil, shea butter, and vitamin E. But yeah, I'm actually gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know it was short. I know it was short, girl, but I had a very busy week. Couldn't really pull out the camera much, and I just was not thinking about the camera, to be honest. But very busy week, a lot of good things happening, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for hanging out. If you're new to my channel, if this is your first time watching a vlog from me, this is what we do on Sundays. Very chill, laid back, and random. So if you like vlogs, if you like these types of vlogs, then come over on Sundays and hang out, because that is exactly what we do on Sundays. So yeah, that is it, girl. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Remember, I upload on Sunday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Sundays are the vlogs. Wednesday and Fridays are my regular content days, like makeup tutorials, reviews, hauls, all of that good stuff. But that is it, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and go about my day. I need to clean up, and I'm actually going to dinner tonight. So yeah, thank y'all so much for hanging out, and I'll see you guys later on this week. Bye.